Captain Chicken, you are cleared for takeoff. Can I touch this? No, that's mine. How about this? No, that's mine. Is there anything I can touch? No. I spy food. Be patient, an opportunity will appear. Birds can't make facial expressions. Joy. Disgust. Fear. Anger. Is the gentleman done with his fruity pellets? Yes, I am. Was something wrong with these ones, sir? They are not red. Always wear a helmet when using the swing. If it's made of paper, it must be chewed. Birds and humans shall preen together. Once detached, feathers become enemies of the state. Birds have the right to perch in the highest spot. Birds have the right to attack cameras. Birds have the right to spit out nasty medicine. Birds have the right to scream loudly and often. Welcome to the rescue. I didn't know other birds like me existed. They don't. There are no other birds that gorgeous. Hey bird, come down here. No thanks. I have seeds. Hello. Remember, it's very important to tip your server well. That's quite generous, sir. Are you sure? Of course. Total $50. Tip $1,000. I forgot the decimal. Anyway, thank you, Frank. You're always so easy to talk to. Frank? No traditional Valentine this year. Maybe your Valentine could be your family, your friends, your career, hissing booth, price, one magnet, yourself. What's that? Toys for later. Can has. No, they're for later. Please? Fine, here's one toy. Not interested anymore. I don't understand anything, really, so I like to be skeptical about everything. Sure, my stomach hurts after eating all that styrofoam. But maybe it's good for me. Your skepticism sounds a lot like ignorance. Maybe I just don't know what healthy feels like. Bird owners and poop. Rank newbie. EE. It was warm. So squishy. Rank experienced. Oops, I'll clean it later. Bonus rank psychic. I just love the sound of birds singing. Really? I'm a bird. I take requests. Everything is a toilet. And everyone. Long scary devices, like brooms, are banned. Beakless birds shall get peanut butter and bananas. Birds must stop what they're doing when the camera turns on. No one will believe you. How to cook with cheeks the burp. Step 1. Find food. Step 2. Throw the food away. Step 3. Demand new food. I'm told at times I can be a little intimidation. Sorry, I heard a mouse under a snowbank a kilometer downwind. Afraid of the vacuum? Thunder? Hey, I may look fat, but it's really all feathers. Now excuse me. Can has burp cuddles? Okay. Expectation. Reality. I'm not really in the mood for roadkill anymore. Me neither. So where should we go? Follow me. I got an idea when I was looking for you. Can it be a surprise? Sure. Yes. I love surprises. No. It's no use. The ice is too thick. I know. I'm just window shopping. How my birds tell me I'm scritching wrong. Not there please. I say we nuke the entire site from orbit to be sure. I want out. I've been in here for hours. If only someone could open the door. Check out what I found. Whoa, good find. Yeah, people love these. I know he really didn't want to let go of it. So they just stare at themselves all day. I kinda get it. Whoa, we did that. We did that. It's snowing. Indoors? Wait. No. Have I ever told you about the time I took a hot dog right out of a guy's mouth? Yes. Bird law. 5. No breakfast unless the human watches for hawks. 6. All cups of water can become shower time. 7. Human hands must provide warmth on request. 8. All window blinds are eligible for destruction. I found food. Can I have? No. Can I have? No. Can we have some? No, my food. Do you think I'm cute? You're cute in an intense way. Scritches please? Hey. No touch. Only scritch. How do ducks measure success? A bigger nest. Shinier feathers? How do I know if I'm better than everyone? Tell us the story about Daddy again. Well, when you were just an egg, a monster attacked. It was huge and very fast, with sharp teeth and red eyes. But your father scared it away. Hot dog. Hat. Bow. Bye. Anywhere but the perch. Huh. I didn't have a thought for a while there. That was nice. I left my laptop open. I bet chicken's pulling the keys. Oh. Mum, paper. I'm gonna watch TV. I hear a new human. Hello new human. Pay attention to me. Some birds. Relaxed. My bird. Don't mess up. Burb, can I have bread? Mom, no, we have food at home. Food at home. Bird law. 13. Humans cannot enter the closet of millet without qualified supervision. That one. 14. Beards must undergo periodic inspection. 15. Human property may be seized at any time. 16. Human movement is prohibited while naps are in progress. Birdie. Huh. Sick of wasting a whole tissue to clean after your bird? Then get ready for whittle wipes. Don't touch that. Human clean today. Wouldn't it be a shame if I had a snack? Confidence. Who's a pretty bird? You are. I know. Bang. Completely hidden.